p.m. for an astrological forecast. And finally, we will have more amazing bands performing tomorrow starting 5 p.m. Don't miss Gab and John from Urban Double live on stage tomorrow night. Now, this is it, ladies and gentlemen. You have waited. And now, I think, are you guys ready for our next performance? Now, I am just so excited to bring you our next set of girls. Do you have any idea who they are? Raise your hands if you know. Give me the sign. Give me the sign. All right, let's not keep you guys waiting. They are the hottest new girl group that brought our country international recognition when they competed in X Factor UK. They wowed millions and inspired Filipinos and foreigners alike with their world-class performances. Now, do you guys want to see them perform on this stage? Then why don't you help me call them out with your loudest screams and your outstretched arms? Let's all welcome Fourth Impact! Come on, everybody! Ha! Woo! Let me hear you! Scream! Let's hit that ice cold Michelle Rock with our white girl. These confident rude girls, them good girls, say nice ass. Time, wine, living up in the city. Got shots always save a wrong girl. It's like, okay, hot damn. Put a police in the fireman to her. Hot damn. Let the drag roll it down and to her. Hot damn. Say my name, you know who I am to her. Hot damn. In a bad bad with my feet down. I dance it hallelujah. Dance it hallelujah. Dance it hallelujah. You stop talk, don't give it to you. You stop talk, don't give it to you. You stop talk, don't give it to you. Saturday night, we in the spot. Hot damn. Hot damn. Lucky Sean and Tom, are you ready? Hey. Let's go. Okay, ladies, now let's get information. Okay, ladies, now let's get information. Prove to me you got some coordination. I say you just might be a couple that's in the making. And then so's my baby. To my friends so cold, see what you do to me. This isn't everything to find you. Just you know nobody used to be this. The way that I know what I'm trying to do. The beat in my heart keeps you know you know. Still you don't understand just how you love doing all of me. You're looking so crazy right now. Your love's gonna look so crazy right now. You're looking so crazy
Got me hoping you picture right now. You can't get got me hoping you say it right now. Looking so crazy in love, got me looking so. So crazy, my baby, I'm not myself. Lately I'm foolish, I don't do this, I've been playing myself. Baby, I don't care, 'cause you're the best of me. And baby, I'm making a fool of me. You got me strong and I don't care who sees this way. You got me, you got me, you got me. I'm looking so crazy right now. You know that's why I'm looking so crazy right now. I'm looking so crazy right now. You tell us you're looking so crazy right now. Let me hold you, nature right now. You can't let me hold you, save me right now. Looking so crazy in love, tell me you got me so crazy in love. Looking so crazy in love, gonna look so crazy. Give it to me. Pennsylvania, balloons, well, don't keep me where I'm not crazy. From the back, and I'm your friend, but can you put that down? Hot out to this, you know it all. Think you got one time to a crazy. Running back in the bag, I think you put it down. I've been waiting for the one to blow somebody. Baby, you can get it into the motherfucker. That's it.
Ang daming tao. Actually, na-excite po kami kasi parang ngayon po yung comeback namin dito po sa Pilipinas.
Oo nga.
Maraming salamat po. May mga dreamers pa dito! Thank you for
But
coming.
first of all, gusto namin kayong tanungin, napanood niyo po ba kami sa X Factor?
Binoto niyo po ba kami? Siyempre, hindi po kayo makaboto.
Sabi ni Kuya, hindi.
Pero maraming salamat po dahil yung video po namin ng audition na Bang Bang ay ngayon 70 million na! Oh my God! Maraming
Pero
salamat
syempre
po.
hanggang ngayon nagtatanong sila, sino ba si ganito, si ganyan? So, magpapakilala po muna kami, isa-isa.
Oo. Nag-iba-iba na po kami ng damit para makilala nyo kami. Go.
Yeah, so hindi ko na patatagalin. Ako po ang panganay sa aming magkakapatid. And my name is Almira!
Hey, hey! Hello everyone, my name is Irene. And I'm the swagger of the group! Ay, ganun
Hello po!
talaga.
Ako naman po si Maylene at ako po ang pangatlo! Kong Hey Pachay! Hello po! Ako naman po si Selena at ako po ang bunso! And we are again for Impact!
Of
And
course.
marami pong salamat for inviting us here. Thank you to Mega World.
Alright, for our next song,
At
sikat na sikat to dito
kahit
sa
alam
Pilipinas.
na natin
diba?
na Chinese New Year na, ito pong kakatahin namin na total malapit na rin po ang Valentine's Day. So, itong kakantahin namin malakas to sa hugot. Sino bang may mga in love dito? May mga in love pa dito?
Sino ba dito yung mga nagtatago ng kanilang mga pag-ibig?
Okay, so para hindi na kayo mahirapan, ito po yung awitin na from Little Mix. Ito po isa sa mga cover namin. So this is Secret Love Song.
If you know this song, you can sing with us po.
We keep behind closed doors. Every time I see you, I dial into tomorrow. So the moments that we stare as the curtain falls, it'll never be enough. As you drive me to my house, I can't stop these silent tears from rolling down. You and I both have to hide on the outside, where it can't be yours and you can't be mine. But I know this, we got a love that is always. Why can't I hold you in the street? Why can't I kiss you on the dance floor? I wish that I could that it could be like that. Why can't we be like that? 'Cause I'm yours, I'm yours. Why can't you make me last you? Why can't you I wish that it could be like that. I wish it could be like Wish we could be like
Thank you so much!
Grabing hugot pala yan, ano?
And syempre, in-arrange yun ng aming pong sister na si Mylene. Palapakan niyo naman po si Mylene. Actually, siya lahat nag-arrange ng mga kanta namin na pinanglaban po namin sa X Factor. Ayan, siya po yan, si Mylene. Okay! And of course, sana po abangan niyo po dahil very, very excited po kami this year. Ngayon pong January, i-release ang aming pong first single under Star Music!
Yes, abangan niyo po yan mga kababayan. Ito po ay entitled Unleash the Diva. On January 30 na po yan. Available on Spotify. Sana po supportahan niyo po kami by downloading it. Susuportahan niyo ba kami?
Sana po i-download niyo po ito po. Sana po supportahan niyo po ang kauna-una po naming single dito po sa Pilipinas. So sana po maasahan po namin na supportan ninyo. So this time, let's go back. And are you ready to party? Sino dito yung magagaling sumayaw? Wait lang. Gusto ko kasi bumaba, pero i-test natin kung sino yung pinakamalakas sumigaw, doon kami pupunta. Wait lang Hindi ko kasi alam ko saan eh. O, try natin sa left! Dami hiya! Malakas.
Tapos na.
Dito naman sa kanan! Alright.
Hindi ba masyado nag-dinner sila?
Sa gitna!
Para na,
Sa gitna
mas
tayo.
marami sila. Mas
Sige,
marami sila.
lilipat kami dyan mamaya, okay? Para po sa inyong lahat to. Come on, everybody! Woo! Are you ready to party? Woo!
Alam niyo, since malapit ng Chinese New Year, gusto namin makita ang kamay niya sa taas. Come on, everybody.
Hey, hey, hey!
Put your hands up.
Introduce you to my party people in the world. It's a new generation of party people. Girl, oh yeah. If you know how to, gotta get on the floor. If you're a party freak, then step on the floor. If you're an animal, then tear up the floor. Break a sweat on the floor, yeah, we roll on the floor. Don't stop, keep it moving, cut your drinks. Pick your body up and drop it on the floor. Move with them, change your world on the floor. You know you gotta clap your hands on the floor. Where's it? Go rock home, London to Ibiza, straight to LA, New York, Vegas to Africa. Dance the night away, leave the life and stay on the floor. Yeah. Don't dance the night away, slide to the Ready, Chinatown! Ready na ba kayo tumalaw? 1, 2, 3, jump! Tonight we gon' make it on the floor. Tonight we gon' make it on the floor. Darling, I know you got it, clap your hands on the floor. And you know
Okay, not the chances. We want to hear you sing loud and loud. Come on. On the floor. Thank you po. Nag-enjoy ba kayo?
Gusto niyo pa ba? Parang mahina yun. Gusto niyo pa ba?
Grabe siya. Alam niyo po, thank you very much. Feeling po namin concert namin!
Oo nga.
Grabe siya. Especially dito! Grabe.
Alam niyo po kasi sa UK, every time na nagtutour po kami, lahat ng mga nilalapitan namin, pag sinabi, let me hear you ayan, nawawala ko. Let me hear you scream! Sisigaw sila. Let me see your hands! Talagang taas yung kamay nila. Pero dito sa Philippines, bakit pag, let me see your hands! Medyo naiiyak.
Siyempre nahihiya. Dapat ganun naman.
Oh, pero sila kuya, maraming salamat for singing with us. And at this time, gusto niyo ba marinig yung audition namin?
But before that, gusto po kasi namin, every time we perform, parang ang goal po namin magkakapatid is to inspire youth na katulad po namin na merong mga pangarap. Of course, alam po namin, sino dito yung may mga pangarap? Ayan, sana po, ipagpatuloy nyo lang po yung mga dreams ninyo and never give up. Kasi yun lang po yung ginawa namin for 10 years and we're very blessed po kay Lord sa mga blessings na dumadating po sa amin. So sana po, for this song, sana po ma-inspire din po namin kayo. Especially po, okay.
Oh, yan na pala yung nakakapagod.
Nagmamadali si Kuya.
Sa mga dreams natin. Ito na yun. Sana ma-inspire kayo with your lives. Love you too! Clap your hands, everybody! Come on!
If my heart starts beating, if my lungs start breathing, hey, and the voice in my head starts screaming, I'm alive.
Look at the laser lights burning down on me. You're like the laser lights burning down on me. You make me feel good. You make me feel safe. You make me feel like I don't even know the day. You make me feel good. You make me feel safe. You know I really Let me turn it down. Let me hear you scream. Face to face, and there's so much I could say. And these words forever seem the silence. The silence. And we're here, that's where we're breaking. The world starts shaking. We keep talking, walking to the light tonight. You're like the laser lights burning down on me. You're like the laser
you po.
So much.
May tanong ako, buhay pa ba tayo? Joke.
Yun na yung makakapagpa-inspire sa kanila, yung laser lights.
Oo nga eh. Si kuya naman, parang binigla namang i-play yon.
Di pa ako ready.
Ikaw okay ka pa ba kasi naka-jacket ka?
Oo,
Nasa
Adi,
London.
Akala ko po kasi sa London kami kakanta. Nag-jacket po ako. Joke. Pero maraming salamat po. Are you enjoying so far? Paano po yun? Last na song na po yun. Ano pa? Ano pa? 10! 10 pa?
Pwede na tayo. Hindi na tayo. No year na hindi pa tayo tapos.
Uy, pero alam niyo ba nandito yung idol ko?
Sino?
Si Kuya Elephant Dia!
Excited?
Okay.
Excited
so,
na siya.
thank you again. Once again, I'm Almira.
I'm Irene, of course!
And then Mylene.
And I'm Selena.
Thank you so much.
Once again, we are Fourth Impact! Woo! Of course, we're very proud to be Filipino po kahit saan man po kami mapunta. Para po sa inyo po lahat to.
Kung dahil sa song na to, wala kami. So this is Bang Bang!
You're gonna go like I never guess, but I can give it to you all the time. Oh! She's gonna run like a Cadillac, but I can turn you into overdrive. Oh, let's go! Say anybody could be bad to you. You need a good girl to blow your mind. Yeah. Go! Bang into the ground. I know you wanna bang bang all over you. I'll let you have it. I'm gonna let you take you down. I'm gonna take you out. She might let you hold her hands, go. I'ma show you how to. So he talk and talk. Just gotta show me what your mama gave. Let's go! Say anybody could be good to you. You need a bad one more time. To the bar. You wanna bang bang all over you. I'll let you have it. Let me take you down. Let me see you. Never so hard. I know you want it. Just see the mother. I'll let you have it. Let me take you down. Wait a minute till It's Christmas, celebrates praise, and the power is never for the eyes. Doing the matter we do, the matter we do, the fun no one. So, so good, it should be not working right. I bet it's not good. Let's go, I'm rubbing it, baby, cooking it, queen, could dumb it, come it. Speeches get airy. If they test me, they sorry. Ride like a Harley. We hangers, we banging. Home wrecking, he's slanging. It ain't karaoke, never get the mic 'cause I'm singing. To the A, to the N, to the oh, bang, bang. To the N, to the hey. See anybody could be good to you. You need a band that'll blow your
Let's give it up for Almira, Irene, Mylene, and Selena of Fourth Impact. Wow! Grabe yung energy na yun. Ibang klase. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce to you my co-host for tonight, Harvey Ong.
Hello, hello. I'm Miss Gretchen. I'm back.
Yes, you're back from the atrium.
Yeah, we just finished with UDD at the
Oh,
atrium.
ibang klase yung Fourth Impact. Very beautiful.